Kakati wideband sensors oziraba otya ng'okozesa OBD machine ku motoka. Zikuba zitya data. Kino tugenda kukiraba nga tukozesa example gye twalina ku motoka emu. Emotoka eyo baali bagibbako akasaani oba akataki converter, era nga tugenda kugyetegereza tulabe n'engeri gye twakitegeeramu nga tu analyzinga data wa OBD machine. So kati ekisooka, wideband sensors, like I said, sensors zino nnyo kuba ku motoka empya, era they can have from 4, 5 to 6 wires depending. Ekisooka kya byonna wideband sensors, machine ziziyita air fuel sensors, era olaba value ng'eriko AF kiba kitegeeza nti oli kudiringa ne wideband sensors. So kati bwe tuba tuzisoma tulina reference points 3. Esooka bagiyita lambda value. Lambda value eringa nga ideal stoich, osobola ogiyita the ideal stoichiometric ratio which is 1. So kati lambda value, the ideal is 1, kitegeeza nti if you are having a positive lambda, you are dealing with a lean mixture. If you're having a negative lambda, you're dealing with a rich mixture. Reference point endala egenda kuba ku signal ya current, and usually ziba mu milliamperes. Reference ya current wideband sensors eba 0. Wolaba a positive current value, kitegeeza nti you're dealing with a lean mixture. Wolaba a negative current value, kitegeeza you're dealing with a rich mixture. Kati point endala tuga kulaba reference ya voltage signals. Wideband sensors, most of them range between 0 to 5 volts. Oli ku referencing ng'okozesa voltage. So kitegeeza nti ideal is between 2 to 3 or 2.5. Kitegeeza nti if you see a figure that is close to 5 or slightly after 2.5, kitegeeza nti you're dealing with a lean mixture. If you're seeing a figure that is below 2.5, kitegeeza nti you are dealing with a rich mixture. Zezo point 3 zetugenda okureferencingako okulaba behavior ya wideband sensors. Kakati emotoka eno gye twayina yayina issue nga kataiti converter baali bagibba, era ndaga twetegereze data katini tulabe engeri gyali behavinga. So kano wano mula kye bayita AF lambda, banker 1 sensor 1. In lambda value tulaba it is 1.0, it is a positive lambda, kitegeeza there is a lean condition. We are also seeing the voltage, it is 3.3. This is also a lean condition. Nenga ranges zaffe zonna zitulaga nti this is a wide band sensor. Era nga we mulaba we are using AF, and so ne current tulaba it is a positive current. So we are all dealing with a lean condition here. We tujja ku banker 1 sensor 2 which is downstream. It is referred to as oxygen sensor. So most narrow band sensors machines ziyita oxygen sensor tadanga zinaga values azo. So kino kitegeeza nti you can have a wideband sensor upstream n'oba ne narrow band sensor downstream, like for this situation. So kati wano tulaba nti oxygen sensor ey'okubiri after the catalytic converter is giving a 0.115 volts. Kati eno reference isooka etulaga nti this is a narrow band sensor, era twalaba nti narrow band sensors ziwa range ya voltage from 0.1 to 0.9. Kati this is 0.115, kitegeeza nti this is a high lean condition but with a narrow band sensor. Kitegeeza nti still sensor ey'okubiri after the catalytic converter esensinze oxygen mungi, eyasoose eri waggulu nayo yasensinga mungi. What does that mean? Kitegeeza nti catalytic converter teyina byefe bitalinze out, oxygen temukozeseza, era nga waavudde eri waafulumye eno. Era twagenda okwetegereza emotoka nga kituufu akasaani baali bakabbako, naye nga ne wano data aba asobola okukulaga.